afternoon to one and all and our dear participants. Welcome to the virtual event KSA Hybrid Cloud and Data Center Summit 2022 on high performance cloud services to match the rising demand and deliver innovation and technological transformation organized by the Rendezvous experts in partnership with our gold partner, Manage Engine and strategic partner, Nozomi Networks. I am Roger Doss, and we have Bridget, and we will be your host for today's session. Dear participants, we are blessed to have the support of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in making this event a success. And on behalf of our partners and the entire KSA Cloud and Data Center team, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for joining us today. KSA, with its leaders, are the most futuristic thought leaders in the world. The great Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is leading the MENA region as a cloud data hub with ICT readiness and cloud computing. The KSA leaders understand adoption of cloud computing is the key to economic growth and have embedded more diverse services to be offered while simultaneously ensuring stronger data privacy protection. Emphasis is on methodology to align IT resources with businesses and application needs to accelerate optimum business outcomes and to achieve excellence in the cloud. The opportunities are endless, and we are here for the next 2 days to explore the same. A few pointers to make the most of the session. If any of you have any questions, please use the Q&A section where all your questions would be addressed and answered. If for any reason you do get locked out during the session, please follow the same procedure to rejoin or refresh your page. All our partners and speakers would love to answer any questions that you have. Kindly set up a meeting or drop a note or message them directly. They will also be available for questions in the lounge area. And don't forget to visit the booths to explore all what our partners can do for you. So let's dive into this power-packed day one agenda of the KSA Hybrid Cloud and Data Center Summit 2022. Without further delay, let's begin today's session. We have with us our eminent chairman of the event, Dr. Fatmah Baothman, founder and board president, AI Society. Dr. Baothman is the first woman in the Middle East with a PhD in modern artificial intelligence, the first woman in the world to win an artificial intelligence prize from the USA in research category. High performance expert in artificial intelligence technologies with national and international recognition of her achievements at various events and positions in several organizations in the private sector. Now, I would request Dr. Baothman to grace the stage with her presence and her welcome speech to KSA and GCC leaders. Dear Dr. Baothman, welcome, and the stage is all yours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Roger. Good afternoon, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor to welcome you today to the KSA Hyper Cloud and Data Center Summit 2022. It's my pleasure to invest with you the time, share knowledge, and uncover how the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is leading the future for cloud computing in the MENA region. We are proud to announce today that the two guests of honors for the summit are His Excellency Mohammed Hassan, the Executive Director of National Data and Statistics Sector, Federal Competitiveness and Data Authority, UAE, and His Excellency Bilal Hetnawi, the Commissioner Board Member of Telecommunication, TRC, who will be giving us an opening speech on day one and day two. I'm so happy to see representatives from different sectors participating with us. Such presence reflects how dynamic the sector has become. The theme for this summit is to focus on Saudi Arabia's advancement in cloud computing, risk avoidance, and return on investment in addition to recommendations for shaping the way forward. This summit holds a special value because it brings people from business, government, and high tech on a digital platform. I'm so proud to share with you that Saudi data center revenue exceeded 140 million in 2020. The Saudi Ministry of Communication and Information Technology has launched an $18 billion plan to build a network of large-scale data centers across the kingdom. The ministry also announced that the government is aiming to transform Saudi Arabia into the main data center hub for the region and is working closely with private sector, including local and international investors to achieve such goal. Not to forget that STC data centers program constitute of 16 data centers, which will be incorporating 8 projects distributed across the kingdom in several cities. Among these cities are Riyadh, Jeddah, and Dammam. This, of course, will create jobs, provide advanced services, along with world-class security. And we have to be careful that this is not going to be an easy job. It requires expertise, it requires high tech, it requires investment as well. According to Gartner's report, end users companies' expenditure on cloud resources exceeded $250 billion in 2020, and growth of 18% is expected for 2021. However, the Data Center Invested Analysis Report of 2021 ensured that Saudi Arabia market will witness investment of $1,180 million by 2026. So as we all can see that the kingdom has adopted different types of new technology to achieve its vision of 2030 transformation goals. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you and conclude my speech by encouraging you to participate in all discussion using the digital platform for the next 2 days. Take advantages of such opportunities to actively network with each other and to communicate freely with me and with the summit organizer as well, with respect to investment opportunities in cloud computing and data center in Saudi Arabia. I wish everyone successful networking and productive time, and I would like to hand over the floor to His Excellency Bilal Hetnawi, the Commissioner, the Board Member for TRC, for his speech titled Cloud Empowerment on Digital Transformation. So please welcome him.